Hey folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, back here at Studio 3B in our little woodworking shop. We had some tools out today and we thought we'd talk to you about them a little bit. Finished pneumatic nail guns. We have quite a few of the Metabos, and anything from a pin gun up to a 15 gauge angle nailer and everything in between. What's gauge? Gauge is the method in which they measure the nail, the body of the nail. This is a little pin gun, pin nails, and they are just like that. They are like a needle or a pin. Used for fragile work, where you don't have a lot of stock to work with. You can shoot these things into about anything without marring the wood or running the chance of splitting the wood out, compared to a heavier finished nail gun in the 15 gauge. 15 gauge, you can see it actually has a head on it just like a regular finish nail. The angle gun is fantastic for a lot of uses: casings, baseboards, crown moldings. You can get the nails anywhere from about 1.5 inches up to 2.5 inches, I believe, and really has some strong holding power. But you have to have ample stock so you don't damage the stock when nailing. So we have 3 different nails here right now. The little 23 pins, the 18 gauge, which is a nice versatile gun. Just finished a project with the 18 using on a mantle project we just finished up. And then the heavy hitter, the 15 gauge angled gun, real good gun. All of these Metabos, battery powered, multi-bolt systems on them, beautiful guns, nice to work with, but that's the long and short of the nail gauge.